Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed your Facebook profile into a website using SociableKIT and the website builder Squarespace. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and in here you can create your account, and if you have already created your account, just click this login button. And from here, we're gonna have to click this create widget button, and if we click this, it will always redirect us to the creation of widget page. And in here, we're going to select our widget type, and that widget type is Facebook profile. Here it is. Now it says here that we have to paste our Facebook ID or our username. So what is our Facebook ID and how can we find it? So you can click this what's this button, so it will take you to the page of tutorial on how to find your Facebook. And in our video, we're going also to show you how to find it. On our Facebook, we're going to use the profile of Mark Zuckerberg. So our profile is this. You can copy this, or we can copy the whole URL, and if we paste it on the SociableKIT, it will always convert it into the Facebook username or ID. Here it is. Now click next. And now this is our Facebook profile. As you can see, it sync up pretty quite fast, and as you can see, all of our feed is the same in our Facebook profile. Now on the left side of the screen is the customization and moderations tab, and each of these tab has its own features, and I'm also going to highlight some of them. First is the themes tab. In here, I can select the color theme that I want. So in SociableKIT, we have this default theme that you can choose, and each of this theme has its own color combination. So for example, this Masikap theme has this color combination, and also the others. So if I click this Maayos theme, this color combination should be embedded into our feed. And as you can see, the feed is successfully saved, and the feed is now in Maayos theme. Moving on into the post tab. In here, we can change the layout, the post count, and the column count of our profile feed. So in the layout, I can change it into grid, masonry, or carousel. In my case, I'm going to change it into grid because it looks professional and organized. You can also change the post height. I'm going to keep that. And the post count, I can change it from 20 into 6, and the column count into 3, and I'm going to save changes. And as you can see, now our feed is in the lead grayout, and now all of the feed is in the post count of 6. Earlier there is only 20. Now it is in 6. It is now organized, and everything looks unique, but professionalized and very neat. Now moving on into the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the color theme that fits your website in the themes tab, you can also manually change it in here. So you can change the feed background color from any color that you like, the feed font color, the feed link color, the feed link hover color, and so on. Now, moving on into the pop-up tab. In here, you can change the color of your pop-up if you want. So for example, if I click this pop-up, I can also change it into different kinds of color, different kinds of font color, and so on. And now, lastly, the CSS tab. In here, if you have any kind of CSS code that you want to add or any kind of design that you want to add, you can also embed it here. Now, if you are already good and finished, we are going to now embed this into our website. Click this embed on website button, and now it will pop up this, which you have to choose your website builder. In our case, it is in Squarespace. So we're going to search Squarespace. Here it is, and this will pop up the step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into our Squarespace website. Now we're going to follow this by first copying the JavaScript code and going to our Squarespace website. Just a reminder to you guys that you can put your feed into an existing page or in a new page, which we will do. We're going to create a new page first, and a blank page. We're going to name it Facebook profile, and then we're going to edit this feed or this page by first adding a section, a blank section. This is the most important part. We're going to add a block, and that block is the code block. We're going to add or to edit this code block and remove the code. and we're going to paste the code that we copied earlier. And that is basically it. We can resize it now if you want. So I can resize it into this big, and we can click save. Now if we click exit, we can now preview the feed or preview our website and how does it look like. We can preview it by clicking this, and as you can see, everything that we change is embedded in here, from the theme, from the color theme, from the layout of the feed, which is in grid, the color of everything, and the column count, and the post count, which is only 6 by, and we can also load more of the posts if we want. And we can click our pop-up button. So for example, this one, it is also working, and that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and leave the comment down below if you have any suggestions, feedback, or you just really want to talk to us, and ring that notification down below if you are interested into our SociableKIT. And that is all, and I'll see you guys in the next video tutorial.